my things set up and we're gonna get right into it. I was just wearing straight before. I didn't care to curl my hair, but now I prefer curls over anything. And as you can see, I'm giving my hair a break, but I'm gonna show you guys, ignore the background, but I'm gonna show you guys how I get my curls on my hair here. So I'm just putting down some more materials like combs, the shine spray I use. My clips are already there and I got the flexi rods too. I'm going to be using flexi rods today and my brush. So the hair was previously in 2 braids, so I had to take those out so I could comb through, make sure there was no tangles before I started sectioning it off and flat ironing it. Now that all the hair was combed through, I usually put a curler in my bangs. I have bangs on this wig. I haven't been wearing them lately, but they're still there, so I put them in a curler to separate them. And I just started flat ironing. Some people blow dry their hair. Well, this hair didn't need blow drying, I don't believe. I don't remember if I washed it, but usually when I do my curls, I wash the wig first and then I do this process. Usually after it dries, but I usually go over it. I usually do 1 pass, sometimes 2, and I move on to the next section. I don't make the sections too big. I use about, well, it varies depending on how I want my curls sometimes and if I want them smaller or bigger, but I usually use like 10 flexi rods. I'm using this shine spray. I use it after I flat iron, not before, so it won't like burn the hair. I don't know if it'll burn the hair or not, but I use it after. If I feel like this section is a bit too thick, then I'll just separate it and make it a little bit smaller towards the front of the hair, like the cap. I usually make the sections way smaller, and then there's not as much hair up there anyway, so the sections just end up being smaller and the curls end up looking really pretty. I used to do the curls more towards my face, but I've gotten kind of bored of that, so now I make them outward, not inwards to my face. I like for the curls to be on the tighter side because they last longer, and then once it drops and gets looser, it still stays intact. I'm pretty much done. I redid a few of them because they were too loose for my liking. And the last thing that I usually do is go over my bangs, my fringe, whatever you guys want to call it, with the flat iron. And then I put it back in the roller to keep its shape throughout the day or night. You know how long, depending on how long it stays in the curls. Usually I do this either the night before or like 2 days before I need to like go to. So you guys, the time is 6:45, and I did some filming a little earlier, so that's why I have on makeup. But it's time to put this wig on. I also washed my hair yesterday, which I'm very happy about because I really wanted to apply her today, and it's the next day, by the way. So I hurry up and did that last night. It was a hassle, but we got through it. So I'm just going to apply my wig. I don't glue her down like glue her down a lot, but this time I will because it's safe to. I wash my hair, so that's what I'm gonna do now.
And in the Ponca City Blackwell area, 68 degrees today.
You guys, I could not hardly see anything, but I still got it. I still did pretty well with putting the got to be on.
Winds southerly at about 15 with gusts of 25 miles an hour. Barometric pressure 30.00 and is rising. And no precipitation. We're about a half inch behind.
I know most people sew the cap after they cut it, you know, through the ears and stuff, but I don't do that because I'm a bit lazier, I guess. So I decided to take the flexi rods down. I didn't comb through them after I took it down either. I was contemplating here, but then I ended up doing it because I didn't want to have to do it in the morning. So I just ended up taking all of them down, and I didn't separate them or anything, so I could just do that in the morning. The glue wasn't done drying, so I just took the few rods around my hairline up there down so I could put a scarf and tie it down while the glue was still drying. But I think I'm gonna end up taking them out because ultimately it already takes me a really long time to go to sleep. So I don't want it to take me even longer to fall asleep because of these. So I think I'm just gonna take them out and leave them be, and I'll show you guys tomorrow because I'm very tired. I've been dilly-dallying and it's 8:40. It was 6 when I started and it's 8 now and I'm done. I'll show you guys the curls tomorrow when I wake up and get up. So yeah. I'm about to go, but here's how the hair turned out. I kind of don't want to wear the bangs today, so just gonna do it like this. Comb it out of my forehead. I might pin it. I just use this roller to shape it. But here's the hair. I should comb brush through it a little more. I'm about to go, so yeah, that's it for today's video. Ow!